Ma'am. Happy birthday, Ma'am Grace! I miss you so much! Ma'am, pagpakita na ako, Ma'am. Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Uy, manok, aray, baboy, puro stamok. Mami, gwapa na ako din, Ma'am. Ma'am! Grabe, Ma'am. 32 ka na, Ma'am? 33. Ah, 33 ka na, Ma'am? Pero, Ma'am, makagyapan ni Tiguang, Ma'am. Young at heart, kagyapan, Ma'am. Super. I hope, mapadayan dyan pa natin friendship, hatod mamatay kita. Oh my God, di lang ito kita mamatay. Ha? I hope pa makita na ni mo one great love. Makita na ni mo imo Kenji, oh yun, imo Kenneth, oh my God. I love you so much, Mom. Thank you for everything, and may God bless you.
And then Father, Son,
forever and ever. Amen. Bye, Mom. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Grace.
Grace who?
Maybe Grace time. You'll be loved and you'll find. Maybe now we can be more than just friends.
She's back in his life and it feels so right.
Maybe Grace time. Love won't end. So, hi, Ma'am Grace. Hello out there. So, happy birthday. Oh my God, 33rd birthday. So, hindi matanaw sa imong kaugalingon, hindi matanaw sa imong physical feature, physical appearance, and most especially sa imong heart nga 33 ka na. Oh my God. In town kami, 17 pa kami, ikaw 33 na, pero parang magkaedad lang tayo, ganan. Pero,
Iyad lang amon, edad nga 2, 16 ka 17.
oh, Ma'am Grace, happy birthday waman kami nga ra, so enjoy na lang pag may time. So, dapat special good kayo na yung birthday, though wa na kami nga ra, because first, I consider you the best teacher I had, not just because kay financially ara ka. Charat, basta ang mga spiritual values, sure, quality Christian education. Imo na natudlo sa amon tanan, apil panglaba. Second, I consider you as my second mother. Oh, second mother. Bitaw, Ma'am, second mother. And you know the reasons behind that second mother na akong tawag sa imo. So, thank you so much sa tanan from the bottom of my heart. On behalf na lang sa akong family, basi di makagreet sa imo, kalimutan to. Pero, nangutan na naman si mother if saan ako ng birthday. So, I don't think hindi ito makagreet. So, happy birthday again, Ma'am. Wala kayo ma-wish sa imo, kundi gani. Good health lang kayo nga magpadayon ang hypercity ang pag-hyper ni Ma'am Grace na maka-influensya with others and most especially sa tanan niya, love. So, happy birthday. May this day be special to you. Surprise! Sige, Ma'am, goodbye. Mag-goodbye na kami, Ma'am. Bye!
Maybe.
Maybe Grace